na Wadnu Čarupa a teraz som 4100 metrov. And this is classic hiking with Carlos. I'm here. And he is there. Walking and trying to search me. Sme na poslednom aklimatizačnom krátkom treku okolo jazera Lamskal. Zajtra vyrážame na Jana Pača, na prvý vrchol. And this is how I'm walking with Carlos. I'm here and he is there. Every time he is there and he is not waiting. Never. Right? Carlos, we are going?
We are going.
This is our backpacks, fully loaded, and heading to Jana Pača base camp today. The weather is not looking amazing, but let's see.
Con nuestro amigo Héctor.
So, on the way to base camp. So we arriving to Jana Pača Morenke, approximately 4,900 to 5,000 meters. Yeah. Tak toto je, ako vypadá náš stan. Takto výhľadík a tam je Jana Pača. Zatiaľ sa cítim dobre a práve idem teraz odmerať saturáciu. So Carlos, how do you feel?
Now way better. We had experience first day with diarrhea, but we are ready for it.
And how was diarrhea? 1 to 10?
1 to 10. I mean 10 is maximum.
Yeah, mine was like 6, 7.
Okay, so if 10 is liquid, mine as well. I think it was like
6, 7.
6.
Frozen
Like
yogurt.
Yeah, like yogurt. You know, no yogurt. Yeah, maybe yogurt or chocolate ice cream.
We had just bread. Now we're waiting to purify our water and let's see tomorrow. Windy, almost zero visibility, so I didn't film, but now we are close to the camp. It was nice. Then I checked the time and beautiful. I'm so happy. Naše oslíky tam. A takto sa už všetko prichystáva na nosenie na oslíkoch. Idem vám ukázať, ako sa varí morské prasiatko. Tam sa snaží Carlos nájsť miesto na sranie. I still see you!
Important, protect your ears always. Otherwise, they can fly out of your head.
Tamtá hora, táto, to je Alpa Majo a teda vyzerá strašidelne. To idem odviesť. Strašne sa teším. Poštípali mi nejaké smrhy. A umierno vypadá teraz takto. Je 6 hodín ráno a idem sa najesť a pomaly pôjdeme hore až do hikingu. Tam je Alpa Majo. Práve sme prešli Marine Campom a teraz sme pri Crampon Pointe a pôjdeme takto hore cez ľadovec, tak a za ten rič. Posledný pitch pred high campom. Také ľahšie ľadolezenie. So, we are in Alpamayo high camp. Hola, Carlos.
Hola, Susi. So, my friends, here is the Amadopland, and we are 5,100 meters. The brain doesn't have work really good. Alpamayo is there, so we are going to go down through here, go up through there. We're going to the summit through there. Tough day, I'm not going to lie, but tomorrow is going to get better.
Muskahead is easier tomorrow.
It's going to be like successful day.
Je 1 hodina a 6 minút a my vyrážame viesť Alpamayo. Tak uvidíme, pretože počasie sa zhoršilo. A toto je prvý pitch na Alpamayo. To je posledný pitch Alpamayo. Tu je Alex. Tam je Carlos. Takto tu isté nie. Takto. A tam hore. Posledná dĺžka. Strašná zima, to je strašná. Posledný pitch. Nie je to ľahké. Je to kurva ťažké. Ale posledný. To je vrchol. Ale je Carlos. Carlos na vrchole Alpamayo. Alpamayo. Trvalo to strašne dlho, asi 10 hodín, ale sme tu. How do you feel? Exhausted.
Na zdravie?
Teraz som prišla do stanu a celé nám to trvalo 17 hodín. A som strašne unavená. Ale bolo to super. Bolo to sranda.